What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. Okay you guys, we are working our way through the store and now we are on the candy and snack aisle. Of course I'm looking for new items. Okay, I already found something new. We have the brand new Sour Patch Kids and it includes a mystery flavor. These are definitely brand new. I've never seen those before. And then we saw some fruit snacks by this Yummy Yummy brand, but now we're seeing candy by the Yummy Yummy brand. Those are the sweet strawberry gummies. I think they're probably copying Haribo's strawberries. Tell me if you look at the candy every time you go to Dollar Tree. Tell me in the comments if you do, because I definitely do. I love to see what we have. And even though I'm not eating a whole lot of candy these days, you guys know I'm melting it and cooking mini foods over on TikTok at Bunny Birdie Gator. I get all sorts of requests, you guys. Candy, just all sorts of non-food things. Like the requests are really, really original. And I've been having a lot of fun over there. I just love making content for you guys. I'm definitely gonna get some of those cranberries. Actually, I'll get 3. My kids love those. The bag is only a 4.5 ounce bag. It used to be a 6 ounce bag. So they're not giving us as much as they used to, but that's just how it is sometimes, right? They think, hey, maybe we won't notice. Hey, I notice. I do. Mike and Ike's. Let's just go one more time. I fell in love with these during the pandemic. They're so good. The bit of honey. Don't walk past it, grab it, but watch your teeth. If you have any fillings or any sort of dental work, watch your teeth. They, I think, could be a little bit risky. I love looking for new drinks. What do we have this week? Okay, we still have the Powerade Zeros. We still have the Bolt 24s and a lot of the Ocean Spray drinks. The coffees, the 4-pack of Nestle Splash. Definitely look for the 6-packs. They used to always give us 6-packs. Oh, this is new. Icelandic Glacial. Water from Iceland. Definitely new for the week. And it's right next. Brand new this week, we have Icelandic Glacial from Iceland, and of course we have the little Fijis. These are definitely new. And speaking of new, we also have the Hydros by Monster. 70 calories, actually 140 calories a serving. We have Purple Passion, we have, what is this? Blue Ice, Manic Melon. Anything else? No, that one's a Jarritos. I thought that was going to be available in orange, but I really love the packaging. The bottle's kind of different. Any name brand? Ooh, look you guys, we still have some of these. The boxes are a little messed up though. My kids have been liking these. I'll get 2 boxes. Wow, the box is really messed up. That's okay. The drinks in my cart, I have some brand new ones. For the week, we have Ocean Water by Sonic. And we also have the Cherry Limeade. You get 6 in a box. The Strawberry Peach sounds good by Welch's. We also have Orange Peach Mango. Orange peach mango. I think I'm gonna get one of each. Those sound good. I'm starting to get hungry. The glassware, the sunflowers, those are new. We also have the lemons. Those come back every year. Ooh, look at this, you guys. We have Be Brave, Be Bold. And don't forget to be kind. Look at that. Be brave, be bold. That one is definitely new for the week. And then we have the sunflowers. We have the gray. I think some of these might be new. These are by Royal Norfolk. We also have the lemon bowls. And the Loma Lindas are still here. I bought 4, but still haven't tried them. They're at home, just haven't tried them yet. Like everything is pretty much the same over in the freezer. Oh, I needed to get some more sandwich bags, these little bags. I thought there were more than 20 in a pack though. No, these aren't the ones. Let's see, which ones do I normally get? 22 for Glad. I wanted to get the smaller ones. Are they out? Maybe they're out. 16 here, that's a quart size. 22. 20. I guess I'll get this one for now. That's not the one I normally get though, but I don't want to forget. So much storage, wow. All Rubbermaid and Betty Crocker. They added the sunflower pot holders. The little glass bowl with lids are new this week. Yeah, you guys, it was fun. I think we made our way through the entire store though. Thank you guys so much for joining me here in Dollar Tree. Unless I find something new over here in the impulse buy section, I think that's it for me. I have to go grab some batteries and I want to look at these little magic towels before I leave. Yeah, I think that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I had a lot of fun bringing you guys along and shopping with you here in Dollar Tree. If you had a good time or if you just liked hanging out with me, definitely hit the like button and also consider subscribing. But all right, you guys, that's it for me and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.